Welcome to the longer version of our short.
We're going to be starting with a very dirty, very old English saddle that does not have any straps or strap leathers on it, but that's okay. First things first, you're going to want to use some sort of leather cleaner. So I use this. It is eucalyptus scented and it's a spray. We are going to use these clean rags. Sometimes when you're using the cleaner, you're going to want to use a clean toothbrush to get in the little divots. That's more commonly with the Western saddle because there's more designs with the leather, but even sometimes on an English saddle, you'll need to do it. Make sure when you're cleaning the saddle, you get underneath all the flaps and the bottom side of it. Okay, so the next step is to do conditioner. There's multiple different types of conditioners. I have this kind, and also this kind. But today we're going to be using this kind because it's what I have the most of right now. We're still going to be using clean rags to just wipe it on. With the conditioner also, you're going to want to get underneath the flaps as well.
Next is the silver polish. There's many kinds, but this is the one we're using. And to apply it, we're using toothbrushes.
With the silver polish, we're only going to be doing it on these little silver spots right here and nowhere else on the leather because it can damage it. There's a lot more spots to use silver polish on a Western saddle, but with an English saddle, there's normally just a few little spots. Once you're done scrubbing, you're going to take a clean rag again and you're just going to wipe it off. It's good practice to clean your saddles right after you get them because normally they will come dry and you will need to put a lot of conditioner into them.
It's very important to clean your saddles because it keeps the leather in good condition and it makes the saddle look nice.
Remember, there's many different ways to clean a saddle. This is just the method that I use. That's all. Next, we're going to show you how to clean a bridle. It's very simple and very similar to the way you clean a saddle. But for this, you're either going to need a partner or a hook to hold it up.
In this video, I'll be playing as the hook.
You're going to take your clean rag and the same cleaner that you use on a saddle, and you're going to spray it on all the parts of the leather and wipe it down just like you did with the saddle. Make sure you get the reins because they tend to get very dry. We're going to take the same leather conditioner that I used on the saddle, and we're going to use the same method to wipe it on the reins and whole bridle. For the silver polish on the bridle, you're only going to want to do the buckles or the little silver parts of the bridle that are not the bit because you don't want this getting into their mouth.